After growing and harvesting, potato crops can be stored for up to 10 months to ensure year-round supply of quality potatoes. An essential requirement for maintaining the quality of the stored potatoes is the inhibition of sprouting. In the 70s, researchers discovered potatoes remain dormant from naturally occurring volatiles produced by the potato. Further research identified 1,4-dimethylnaphthalene as one of the most effective of these volatiles. DMN, as it's generally known, was developed and first registered in the US by the 1,4 group, followed by approvals in Europe from 2015 by its European company DormFresh Limited. DMN, registered as 4SIGHT or DorMIR, enhances dormancy, prevents sprouting, and has been observed in commercial use to reduce weight loss and pressure bruise. One 4SIGHT is generally applied as a hot fog, which aids vaporization in store, allowing good distribution throughout the store and into potatoes within boxes. To improve efficiency and long-lasting effect of 4SIGHT, the store should be sealed as well as possible. Minimise the use of outside air if not required, to ensure as much 4SIGHT as possible remains within the treated store. The use of refrigeration, understanding and adapting CO2 refreshment will also help reduce the use of outside air. Always fill stores to design capacity, and before application make sure the potatoes are dry. DMN can be applied during wound healing with no negative impact. The first application should be made early to establish eco-dormancy, using the full rate of 20 ml per tonne. This can then be considered as you gain experience of using 4SIGHT under specific conditions of your crops and stores. Subsequent applications are made after close crop observation and signs of fresh eye or sprout movement. Timing and dose rates of these can be adapted to crop requirements. And can be affected by many factors such as variety, crop temperature, cooling system, and storage period. Retreatments should be made at the first signs of sprouting, also known as the white point or peeping stage. 4SIGHT will freeze below 5 degrees centigrade. Ensure it is kept warmer than this to aid fogging and vaporization. During application, ensure there is no dripping of product from the applicator. To achieve this, ensure the applicator is set up using the appropriate nozzle and fogging temperature to produce a dry fog. Adjust the rate of application to avoid saturation of fog and condensation near the point of application. If possible, reduce the speed of store fans during the application. Using thermal applicators will aid vaporization of 4SIGHT. Electric foggers are preferred for processing varieties, as petrol foggers release combustion gases into the store which may have a negative impact on fry colour over an extended sealing period post-application. Before application, ensure the store is sealed, doors and louvers closed and auto control disabled. Switch off the fridge, if present, before application and run internal recirculation to minimise temperature differentials between the crop, the store air and the store fabrics. After application, continue to run store fans with internal recirculation for a suitable period. Leave the treated store sealed with no outside ventilation for 24 to 48 hours. This will then allow the potatoes to take up the 4SIGHT. A few minutes of internal recirculation at intervals over the sealing period is considered good practice. If available and required, refrigeration can be restarted after 24 hours. After the sealing period, the store can be returned to automatic control mode. A successful treatment of 4SIGHT will establish eco-dormancy and suppress sprouts if present. In Europe, 4SIGHT has been used successfully as a standalone sprout suppressant over many years for long-term storage within the fresh and processing sectors. For further information, please refer to the technical manual available on the DormFresh website and also contact the 4SIGHT distributor within your country.